Yes, and there were quite a few trees and down lines to tell you about, but I just want to show you right now. A tree came down here in Culver City, and it was a twin tree to this one, as tall as that one. A growing pile of branches from what was a twin tree to this one in Culver City. The tree fell from the property next door, the length of the tree blocking a triplex's walkway, the top coming to rest on the roof of the building. Some neighbors didn't realize what happened, but did hear the wind overnight.
It was windy, really windy.
And did you realize that a tree had gone down?
I have no idea.
Another large tree came down in a Sherman Oaks neighborhood. Residents here report high winds overnight.
I can hear the tree was like shaking around because I can hear them in the house, and I can tell that it's very windy.
Dana Omar lives around the block from where the tree came down. The people who live on the property says they heard the winds but didn't realize the tree fell until Public Works came out to cut up the tree and haul it away.
Well, that's a heavy one.
This is yet another fallen tree in Lakeview Terrace. Skyfox overhead to show the team of people that worked to move the tree off of Little Tahunga Canyon Road. By the afternoon, the work crew was pared down significantly, and the cleanup involved pushing sawdust and dirt. The winds were the gustiest during the overnight hours. Flags flapping, palm fronds blowing, and here in the San Fernando Valley, downed power lines. Yeah, but they got the power back on fairly quickly, as is the work going on here as they try to cut up the tree and get it hauled away. The work crew has been here about an hour or so, and they seem to be making quick work of it. Coincidentally, or ironically, right now there's barely a breeze, so it's hard to believe that the wind gusts were so heavy that they could take down what could be a 30 to 40-foot tree, Alex and Marla. And so right now, if you're saying there's more wind coming, this is probably a reminder to property owners to check out their tall trees, because they need to be trimmed regularly and laced so the wind can get through all of the foliage. Reporting live in Culver City, I'm Susan Hirosuna, Fox 11 News.